Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix your mic is not working in the Roblox account, either you are on the mobile phone or the laptop. So in this case what you can do is just make sure to log in your account on the laptop or the browser in your PC, and after that you just need to click on the settings, which is on the right side. Just click on settings and again click on settings, and once you're into the settings, so you'll be seeing first section, which is basically account info. Now make sure that you have verified your email address. And once the email is verified, after that, check the audio, like is the mic still working or not. Now let's say you're still facing the issue, so make sure to scroll down. And here is our personal information. You can read this and make sure to click on this one, like verify your age. And make sure that you have verified your age already, as this is basically some kind of privacy, or you can say the security check added by the Roblox to verify your age. And make sure that you provide these informations, have a valid government issued ID. Make sure that you are in a little room. Be prepared to take a selfie or photos with your ID. So you can verify your ID if you do not have an ID, like you are a child and you want to use the mic. So what you can do is you can just verify your age by some kind of with your parents' IDs, or you can just request your parents or friends to help you verify your age. And after that, this issue will be fixed. Like, it is very important that you must verify your age to use mic in the Roblox account. So make sure to verify your age, verify your email address, and after that your issue will be fixed. So that is all about how you can do it.